Assalamu alaikum guys. Today we will see what is static and non-static methods, and also we will see what is access modifiers, how many types, and let's see. First of all, see what is static and non-static methods. First, static. Static are those methods uh, you cannot create object for the static methods, and non-static methods you must create the object for accessing methods or variable, etc. Just like, look at this example. This is public my class, and this is the static method, and I initialize this is the printing line. Static method can be called without creating objects, and this is the public method, and also line printed line. Public methods must be called by creating objects. Now this is two methods, static method and public methods. Now in main method, I already told you you cannot create object from the for the static methods, so you just call the method name my static method. Look at this. This is my static method. For non-static methods or public methods, you must create objects, just like in main method, my class, this is a class name, or you create object my object is equal to new my class. This is the object creation. Create an object of my class. Now assess the method of the public or non-static methods. You create objects, and through that object you can access methods, functions, or variable values, etc. Look at this. This is the object my object dot my public method. You can access this. Now I hope you understand. Now we will see what is access modifiers. There are three basically uh, use access modifiers: public, private, and protected. Public access modifiers. When your class is public, then the code is accessible by all classes for the public, and for the private, the code is only accessed within the declared class because it is a private, and for the protected, the code is accessible in the same package and subclasses. Look at this. This is the example. This is the class person, and the access modifier is public, and this is some declaration variable values, and the access modifier is private string name, private string last name, string email, and the access modifier is private. Now this is the main method. I already told you for the private, the code is accessible within the declared class. So within the public class and public method, you can create object of that class, just like person my object is equal to new person. You can access the values of private access modifier for printing output, the object name my object dot first name, and also my object dot last name. You can print this line. I hope you guys understand very well. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.